Welcome to this tutorial on trigonometry. Today, we are going to learn how to use the law of sines to solve triangles. Specifically, we will focus on the angle-side-angle case, often called a SA. First, let's look at the law of sines formula. It is a simple proportion relating the sides of a triangle to the sines of their opposite angles. Side A divided by sine of angle A equals side B divided by sine of angle B, which equals side C divided by sine of angle C. To use this, you only need to pick two parts of the equation. What does angle-side-angle mean? It describes the information you start with. You know two angles and the side that is physically between them. This is called the included side. If you have this information, you can solve the entire triangle. Here is our three-step strategy. First, we will find the third missing angle using the 180-degree rule. Second, we will set up the law of sines equation. And third, we will use algebra to solve for the remaining two sides. Let's look at an example. We are given a triangle where angle A is 40 degrees, angle B is 60 degrees, and the side between them, side C, is 10. We need to find angle C, side A, and side B. Step 1 is finding the third angle. We know the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So, we subtract 40 degrees and 60 degrees from 180. This gives us 80 degrees for angle C. Now for step 2, we set up our equation. Since we found angle C is 80 degrees and we were given side C is 10, we now have a complete pair. We can say 10 over sine of 80 degrees is equal to a over sine of 40 degrees, which is also equal to b over sine of 60 degrees. Step 3. Let's solve for side A. We take the part of the equation with a and our known pair. By multiplying both sides by sine of 40 degrees, we isolate A. Calculating 10 times sine of 40 divided by sine of 80 gives us a length of approximately 6.53. Finally, let's solve for side B. We do the same thing. We set b over sine of 60 degrees equal to our known pair. Multiplying by sine of 60 degrees isolates b 10 times sine of 60 divided by sine of 80 gives us approximately 8.79. And here is our solved triangle. We started with just two angles and a side, and we found the rest. Remember, always find that third angle first so you can complete a pair for the law of sines formula. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.